I was talking about Wednesday series with one of my students the other day and thought, why am I not sharing some of its fascinating words with some examination here in my channel to make them easier to learn for you all? The genre is fantasy, horror, and comedy, therefore can be easily enjoyed by all people from almost all ages and tastes. That is to say, one of the best choices to develop your vocabulary range with is this series. In each video, I'm gonna go through 5 words from each episode that are well worth learning in terms of either daily conversations or understanding the serial plot. And today's words are twisted, sadism, then about, especially in this structure, not be about to do something. There's a practical grammar point here. Get in the form of get to do something, and allergic, along with its word family and pronunciation points. Because one fun fact is...
Are you feeling okay? You look a little pale.
Please excuse Wednesday. She's allergic to color.
Oh, wow.
Let's begin. Number 1, twisted.
I'm not sure whose twisted idea it was.
This word twisted is used in this series many times due to making a strong correlation with many aspects of the story.
But when your life becomes a twisted mystery...
What kind of twisted psycho would want to sabotage such a life-affirming event?
It comes from the verb to twist. When you twist something, you turn it, or you wind it around something, or just bend it. So that object is not in its normal, usual shape anymore. Even if you twist somebody's words, you say or use their words in a way that's not honest. Even you may try to take advantage of them for yourself. That's why being twisted or having a twisted mind or a twisted idea means the person you're talking about is not normal, mentally speaking. Or at least the idea of theirs is not that standard, and somehow she or he is mentally ill. In fact, twisted means enjoying or doing things that are cruel, strange, or shocking in a way that's not normal and seems mentally ill. Synonym: sick. Another example: whoever sent those messages has a twisted mind. Or, after hearing the recent news, I'm quite sure that she's twisted. Number 2, sadism.
But I admire the sadism.
Sadism is the behavior in which somebody gets pleasure from hurting other people or making them suffer. The person who does that is a sadist. For instance, the murderer is a sadist. The adjective to describe this cruelty or to describe a sadist is sadistic.
Okay, he was a sadistic... So what? It was...
Other examples? They take sadistic pleasure in their job. I thought we had a sadistic neighbor. And the adverb to explain sadism is sadistically, in a sadistic way. And now a pronunciation hint. Pay attention in sadism and sadist. We have this A sound, say sound. However, in sadistic and sadistically, we have S with a schwa sound. Sadistic, sadistically. And if this word family is hard to remember, think about the word family of optimism. The same pattern repeats itself there too. Optimism, the concept, like here, sadism, the concept, the whole situation. Optimist, the person, sadist, the person. Optimistic, the adjective to describe optimism, and then sadistic, the adjective. Optimistically, the adverb, sadistically, the adverb too. Number 3, about.
I'm not about to confess to my brother that I've recently been plagued by visions.
Here, about is an adjective, meaning intended, strange, yeah? When we say be about to do something, like I'm about to travel, means I will travel soon, in the near future. But I think you kind of feel that too. In this sentence, about does not have anything to do with the future. Actually, not be about to do something is an informal phrase to emphasize that you have no intention of doing something. Other examples, I'm not about to lie to you. Or, she wasn't about to tell me the secret, although I insisted. Number 4, get. in get to.
The only person who gets to torture my brother is me.
Get to do something is informal and means to have the opportunity to do something. So here the meaning is the only person allowed to torture my brother is me. Or the only person having this option of torturing my brother is me. Other examples? Please stay longer so I can get to know you more. Meaning I can have the opportunity or the chance to know you more. Or she got to live her dreams after receiving her inheritance. She had the opportunity to live her dreams because of the inheritance. Number 5, allergic.
Please excuse Wednesday. She's allergic to color.
Allergic means having an allergy to something. Allergy is a medical condition in which your body reacts very negatively to something you have eaten or touched, for instance. You become ill, your skin becomes red and itchy, and allergic is the adjective describing that condition. Be allergic to something or an allergic reaction. For instance, the boy was allergic to penicillin. Have an allergy to something? Like she has an allergy to pepper. And allergen is a substance causing that condition. Pepper is an allergen for her. Pronunciation point. Allergic starts with a schwa sound. Then allergy and allergen start with an a sound. Allergy, allergen. Now a grammatical point. Allergy is countable in this structure. Have an allergy to something, an allergy. That's it for today. Can you recall the correct usage of those 5 words easier now? If yes, I did my job. Tell me if you enjoy and approve of making videos to analyze words like that. The next video for 5 words from Wednesday series, Season 1, Episode 2 is coming soon. Take care. Bye.